Hey everybody, Sean here from Sean's RC Adventures. Got a nice unboxing today. I ordered a package from Club5racing. I ordered it on Wednesday and it just got here, so let's go ahead and we'll open this. This is going to be my first time to see it as well, so I hope as good as I was expecting. So it does have another box, and it shows a pretty nice Bronco on top of it. Okay, so here's the windows. There's the side windows. Are Lexan, but these are actually really thick plastic. It's actually crazy. Here we go, the body. This is a hard body. I don't know what color I'm going to paint it yet, or what I'm going to do with it. But wow, this is nice. Oh, this is a bonus. I didn't know you actually get the sunset decals. That's pretty cool. I honestly had no idea that you get them with it. This is grill, light buckets, all the lights. There's a nice Ford symbol for across the front. Pretty cool metal symbol. Here's the front grille. I like the way they have like the fake radiator and stuff built in there already. That's actually pretty cool. So you actually get all the aluminum trim for the side of the body. That grill is pretty nice, guys. You could actually really do some nice details on this. This does look really nice. It's nicer than the one that's in it. Even comes with new bumpers as well. I'm actually really impressed with this, guys. For $94 shipped, this is pretty impressive. I ordered this on Wednesday. It's only Saturday and I have it already. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me just grab TRX4. We'll try this on the Bronco. Alright, so let's take this body off. See how this one will fit now. See if it'll fit with my interior. Oh man, look at that, guys. Nice hard body Bronco. Can't wait to even my interior will fit with it. I should actually just leave it white. Do an O.J. Simpson special. Have the white Bronco. See if I get a O.J. figure somewhere. Save me doing any painting. But I don't know what to do with this body. But guys, I'm really super impressed with this. Wow. You have no idea how you whoa, this thing is awesome. And for $94 shipped anywhere in the US, you can't beat that price for a hard body. Especially because it comes with trims, comes with all the accessories, comes with door handles, comes with the mirrors. The only thing it doesn't come with is like if you put on the side trim, you'll have to take the little indicators, reflectors from your other Traxxas body and put them into this. It does come with the trim, but not the actual lights. But like here, you would have to put on a light. But guys, I am super impressed with this. Look at this thing. So guys, I'm sorry about that. I know I said it didn't come with the side lights and everything, but it actually does. It's just that they're all clear and not like the yellow and the red collars. And these are the ones actually for the back tailgate, because it does come with the actual aluminum trim for the back tailgate as well, which is pretty cool. So this whole section here, it comes with an aluminum trim for right around this with clear headlights in the back. So it depends if you want them all clear on the sides as well, or you want to take the ones from your Traxxas has red ones and yellow ones. So it depends what way you would like it. So a lot of decisions to make with this, but still, again, really super impressed. This thing is like so awesome. I'm actually shocked how good this thing is and how well built it is. This is the inside of it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it.